Is that all that you wanted?
Have a good day.
Bye. Take care.
Welcome to the group.
Welcome. I'm Teresa Contreras from Real Deal Revolution and LGECTS Motorsports.
My name's Ashley and I work for Scott's Performance Products.
I am Sherry Billings. I am one of the leaders of the Los Angeles Litas.
My name is Dana. I have the honor and privilege of serving the Jessi Combs Foundation.
I'm one of the co-founders of Real Deal along with Jessi Combs.
You guys familiar with Real Deal?
Yes.
Awesome. I want to hear that.
Yeah. We started Real Deal was really because, you know, we're both skilled tradeswomen that were in the industry. We love to do this. We were always having people tell us, like, you're the real deal. And really it was about us wanting to go out and find in other women, you know, that they're the real deal as well. So this is all about changing the perception of skilled trades and women's roles in them. And we're just going out into the world and trying to do that.
Hi everybody, thanks for coming. I'm here representing, I have the honor and privilege to represent the Jessi Combs Foundation. Our mission is to educate, inspire, and empower the next generation of female trailblazers and stereotype breakers, just like Jessi. She's a force to be reckoned with and somebody that paved the way for workshops like this.
So, has anyone here worked with leather before? It's a pretty basic class, so I'll let Jane kind of go through what everything is, but
This is leather.
when it's flat, so that so you actually have a smooth surface. But basically, when you put the stamp on it, and you're gonna hold it straight on there, or you can go around the edges. You can be decorative, but you're gonna hold it firmly, and you have to for it to actually show up. Okay. And some people were doing them like close to each other and making like designs. So you guys can be creative and kind of do what you want. So there's like the smooth side, and then there's like the shinier one, right? And you're gonna flip it over so the smooth side of the leather wraps around, and she'll show you.
This is the cap, right? And this is the post. You're going to insert the post through the leather with the cap on top.
And then you're just gonna.
Sorry, I was going to come get that, but you have a hammer in your hand. It's not.
Well, you don't trust me? And then wow.
Now, some of you could probably get super creative too on your own, but adding some color with some felt markers is really a cool trick, or water paints or something like that, because it is skin. It's going to absorb.
I know that stuff is really like, once it touches, it's
super messy.
Super messy, but it's fun.
So there's, I mean, it's almost limitless when you think about it. You can attach these things to, a lot of you guys have side bags.
And like, they have like the different tools, like this one is a hole punch. But basically it's like, I have one of these because I always like to, like she was saying on your saddlebags, if you need like an extra hole punched into it, or like belts, or like different things, like, and you're just like,
Oh, it's like when you eat too much and you need one extra. Okay, cool, good.
So we're kicking this portion off with a quick intro to the Moto, the Writers Workshop led by Ashley over here.
My name's Ashley and I am a welder, fabricator, and do everything from general maintenance to performance products, installing and building bikes. So starting out, I'm the biggest fan of like good tires. So on the side of your tire, on this side, there's like, you see there's like these little oval boxes?
Oh yeah.
So on this box, it says 1318. So that means that your tire was manufactured in the 13th week of 2018. Typically is what we tell people is if your tire is over 5 years, you're not gonna run it. Do you guys change your own oil? You guys usually go in to have that done? Look at you, I like this girl. Level when you're checking the oil. And if everybody else will come on this side. So you walk on the bike, you got it level. Right here. So you pull it out, and then usually if you have a rag, I wish I had a rag. Have a rag, wipe it off. Clean it. I dip it in. Twist it a little bit, you don't have to go all the way down. And then you pull it back out and then read it. So that's your full, that's your ad. It looks like she might need oil. When was the last time you checked your oil? Check your oil regularly. That's a big one. If it gets dirty, yeah, drain it out. Like when you put it in there, it's gonna be like honey color. And it's obviously like, the closer you get to like your 3,500, 5,000 miles, it's gonna get darker. Yeah, you're also gonna want to change your air filter at that same time. Change your oil filter, change your air filter. So what you guys want is 2 to 3 fingers in here. So she's got 2 fingers, that feels good. 3 fingers on here, it's gonna be a lot. So when she had 3 fingers in there, it's gonna hit the tire. So based on bike, it's gonna vary a little bit, but 2 to 3 is like a good window. You always wanna make sure like these markers are the same on both sides. Because that will make sure that your tire is pulling like straight. You can adjust your bars. You just take in a little Allen key right here, loosen them up, and you can roll them back, you can roll them forward to what feels comfortable for you.
You can change your whole comfort level on the bike, like just the
completely.
tweak,
Yeah.
and like all of a sudden your shoulders are more calm. It like can like change your whole ergonomic thing that you didn't even realize you were like compensating for something.